On this video right now I'm going to show you how to reset smartwatch. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly you have to move on setting. Okay, here is the setting. Just click on setting. After that, on the down you are going to find the reset option. Just click on reset, then click on this green color option, then your smartwatch will be successfully reset. Okay, so friends, I will show you another some more. Here is the clear dial pad. If you want to clear the dial pad, you can clear from here. Okay, and here is the vibrate on off. If you want to on, you can on like this. If you want to off, you can off it like that. Okay, even if you want to turn on the do not disturb, you can turn on, and if you want to off, you just off again by just clicking on here. Okay, so if you want to switch off, here is the dial switch. Okay, just take, this is the wallpaper, sorry. Okay, so I'll show you friends again. On the down you can see when you move on setting, here is the switch, dial switch. This is the QR code. If you want to check the QR code from here, you can scan it. Okay, this is the power off. If you want to power off, just click on this green icon. Okay, so this is the wallpaper. Okay, themes. Okay, you can check from here the themes. Okay, so friends, I hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.